A high-ranking member of an organized crime group accused of violent extortions against Edmonton South Asian home builders is going to prison. CTV's Nicole Lampa explains his crimes range from pointing a gun at a police officer to telling associates what to do while he was behind bars.
In court today, 22-year-old Parminder Singh admitted he pulled the trigger 9 times in this drive-by shooting, trying to get money from a home builder. The accused was the one who shot at the victim's home, and at the time he was aware of the extortion, said the Crown when reading out the agreed statement of facts. The accused further admits that the shooting happened at the direction of the syndicate's leader.
He's a young man. I mean, he's barely an adult. Caught in a terrible situation.
Court heard a police officer was at the victim's home at the time, sitting in his unmarked vehicle. The officer chased after the white SUV. The Crown says the SUV stopped. Singh jumped out and pointed the gun at the officer and then ran away. While the SUV drove off in another direction, Singh was arrested shortly after. Singh appeared by video rather than in person. He was wearing an orange jumpsuit with a black collar. He had short hair, and he was polite when addressing the judge and his lawyer. In the agreed statement of facts, Singh admits he was a high-ranking member of a criminal organization, and while behind bars at the remand center, he ordered those under him to continue with the extortions and to carry out the arsons. The Crown saying he was encouraging, managing, and was motivated by greed. Police eventually called the case Project Gaslight, which involved 12 burned-down homes. Court heard the group terrorized the city and specifically the South Asian community, of which Mr. Singh is a member. The judge agreed to a joint submission of a 7.5-year prison term, saying these offenses have had a very significant impact on these home builders, their families, and their employees. This type of behavior rocks an entire community. This requires a harsh sentence.
Once someone pleads in a sentence to this type of sentence, that deportation will occur.
Court heard Singh has a little more than 4 years left in his prison term because of credit of time served. 4 of Singh's accomplices have also pleaded guilty. 1 is waiting to be sentenced. The Crown says the alleged ringleader, Marinder Dhaliwal, remains detained in the UAE and is awaiting extradition back to Canada. Nicole Lampa, CTV News, Edmonton.